We are called many times every day. Others want to talk to us, to tell us something. They call us sometimes so much that it disturbs us. But God calls us too. He has called us to life, to happiness, to faith. Maybe He doesn't call very loudly. Sometimes His voice is not clear, or we have trouble understanding Him. But He keeps calling us. Our whole life is shaped by calls, which we sometimes express with the word vocation. Every vocation challenges me, because it presents me with the choice of responding to the call or ignoring it and pretending not to hear it.